people, welcome to Kitty for Crafts. I'm Kathy with Kitty for Crafts. I am going to do an unboxing for a Diamond Art Club today. I bought this with my own money, so just make sure I just said that. But here's how it came. Let me open it up. I am stupid excited about this. At the time of this taping, just so that you know, these are sold out. I want to thank everybody who's my new subscribers. Thank all my old subscribers. Just thank everybody. Everybody, thanks. Okay, so comes in this little box that, here you go, fit in the mailbox. And this is how cute it is. Okay, let me put this box there. So, it's Diamond Painting Kit Gingerbread House. It's an art kit DIY. And then it says light up the house. So I actually got to buy a thing for it. But look at that. Isn't this going to be so cute? Okay, so on this side, Unleash Your Inner Artist. On this side, Diamond Art Club, Do What Makes You Sparkle. I guess they're going to start selling these in the store possibly because it has one of those. Let me pull this off so you can see it. But it has the little, you know, the hook tag so that you can do that. Then on the back of it has how to diamond paint. So in the kit, it's going to have the wooden stuff for the house, pre-sorted colored diamonds, tweezers and pickup applicator with putty placer, stackable tray with lid, 15 baggies, and a built-in candle that requires a battery, which is not included. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Nope, we're not. We're going to open it up after I do my thing. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. Okay, this is going to be a booger to get back in here. There's a light. So, like, you're going to have to put that, what's this, a CR2032 in it. So, one of those flat batteries. So, we're going to put that in there. So, there's your candle. It comes with our new kit, our new tool kit, which, like I've told y'all before, I love the new pen. So it's the new pen with the applicator for putty, the stackable tray with the lid, and I just dropped the stopper. That's because it's probably shoved in there. It comes with wax. Oh. Okay. Extra putty. And those 15 baggies. Okay, so that's our standard tool kit. Nothing's changed from that. Oh, yeah, and it's got a placer in here too. I forgot about that. I think it's a 7 placer. So there's the 7 placer. Got a nap. There we go. 7 placer. Okay, so there's that. Okay, we're going to pull all that out. Okay, I am going to show you the little house. So there it is. It's made out of wood. And then as you can see close up, we're just going to diamond paint those areas. So let's see, we open this up real quick. Oh, it's like a little paper in there. Like, see the little plastic? So that's cute. And then he's got the little, so I can see, so you can see it. So you can see how I peel that off. Okay, so he's just like Voldemort, and just like all those little cute things that we've been getting from them. And then, like, here's the house, top of the house with the numbers. So those are the 4 little things, or the wood, rather, for that. I'm going to put that back in there. And then we have the code on here. And then we have the diamonds, or rather the drills. And let's see if I can get those open. And don't forget, like I said, guys, this is sold out as of the filming of this. Oh, this is a single one, number 3. So they're just numbered. So 3. See that? Maybe. There you go. 3. Okay, so there's 3. Oh, and you can see the drills. So that's a green. And then, like I said, they're just plain numbers, because these are going to be like more of those special drills. So this is more of like a brown. You can barely see that one. And then there's a red, a big green, yellow, gold, another round red, a blue, some small greens, some coral looking color. I think that's coral looking. Some more green. Oh, that's some more 3 green. I guess I need a lot of 3 green. So I have 2 bags of 3 green. And then the red. And then this is just not crystallized. This is just plain white. Just white. Okay, so that's that. And then, like I said, I got this extra green for whatever reason. So must have a lot of green in here. Now, I got the Santa. There is also a reindeer. Now, I don't know if the reindeer is sold out, but I do know that the gingerbread house is. And then we have our tips and tricks. Use a bead container, build a plan, build with a plan. So it tells you on the back how to do that. And then inside, there's all of our normals, content container, twist and pick up. I think I said tweezers earlier. I just can't. I'm losing my mind. It's just twist and pick up. So talks about the toolkit and then the battery that you'll need for your candle. Then it tells you how to diamond paint here. I'll put you down a little bit. There you go. How to diamond paint here. Our Facebook QR code, our percentage off code. So the percentage off code is usual. And then the Facebook here, how to diamond paint here, all the socials down here, what the kit contains. And then inside, so if we buy a big kit, we get the sticker sheet and all that. Well, this one comes with an assembly guide. So how to assemble it. Isn't that neat? So it tells you the base and the front and all that good stuff. And then literally tells you how to put it together. And so these are interlocking. Pull that back out for a second. These are interlocking. So no glue required. So that's going to be nice. So that's what I got. I can't wait to start putting it together. I am not a Christmas person per se. And I say that in the nicest way. I was like, it's not that I don't like Christmas. It's just that I don't do Christmas like that. I'll decorate for Halloween in a heartbeat. And I like decorating for Christmas, but I pick up my thing. But I dropped the stopper. But I don't know. Anyway, I got this because I just thought it was so cute. So there you go. Light up the house with this DIY kit from DAC for gingerbread house. And again, we have the one for the reindeer. So instead of Santa Claus, it'll be a reindeer there. But the gingerbread house Santa Claus, again, it's sold out. So get yourself on a waiting list for it. I do believe it was like $17.99 for this. Really cute. Loved it. That's what I got for you guys today. I just wanted to show you that because it's something that's really cute. And if you're a holiday person, I think it's something that you're going to want to do, right? So with that being said, I'm going to go. You stay safe, be cool, keep on diamond painting, and I'll catch you guys later.